Is the Smooth Spine Triple Fusion Massager actually the answer to your back pain? Or is it just another internet gimmick you'll regret buying? I've dug through hundreds of real user reviews and even tried it myself, so let's get straight to the facts. First off, the Smooth Spine Massager isn't a scam. It's a real product, and lots of people actually swear by it. Users with chronic pain, sciatica, even spinal stenosis say it's made their lives comfortable again. They especially love the combo of heat, vibration, and traction. I'll admit, the heat and strong vibrations do feel pretty soothing after a long day. But it's not all sunshine and rainbows. Some folks ended up with broken units right out of the box. Others had trouble with return policies, especially from third-party sellers who don't offer returns. And honestly, the instructions could use a serious upgrade. I had to guess how to use a couple of the features. A handful of people called it a gimmick, saying it stopped working after a few weeks. Plus, the build isn't as sturdy as I expected, and the cord's a bit short if your outlet isn't close by. So here's the deal. The Smooth Spine Massager works wonders for some, and not at all for others. If you're desperate for relief, it might be worth a shot. Just make sure you buy it somewhere with a clear, hassle-free return policy, like Amazon. That way, if it doesn't work for you, you're not stuck with a pricey paperweight. Bottom line, it's legit, but it's not magic. Do your homework, weigh the risks, and always talk to your doctor before trying anything new for your back. Let me know your experience in the comments. Did it help you, or was it a letdown?